The Mojo 68 mechanical keyboard by Mel Geek is something that's truly amazing. It is the best peripheral I have on my whole desk setup. The black and the orange and the clear casing just matches my whole aesthetic. Like the easy touch, the soft touches on the keys is just truly amazing. It's also hot swappable. So if you wanted to change the keycaps or the switches to your liking, they gave you the ability to do so. So just listen to this sound. It's just truly amazing when you're pressing the keys. So you can't go wrong with it. Like I said, it matches my whole aesthetic. I got this orange Type-C cable from Amazon that just matches everything that I have, and I love the whole design, and it gives me feeling of like a cool sneaker, an old school sneaker, a design that they made. So like I said, it's very easy. It's pretty heavy too to be the keyboard because it's gasket mounted. It has a plate stabilizer. You can also hook it up to 8 different devices if you want. It comes with a dongle, a Type-C cable, and you can do a Bluetooth. So either way you wanted to set it up, you can do that. It also comes with a few extra keycaps, space bar, the alt, the command. If you wanted to use it on a Mac, you can do that. Like I said, it comes with very different risers, but I like the original keycaps that's already on it. The one that says the plastic has the space bar. I simply love them. Like I said, it comes with a Type-C cable if you don't happen to have one, but I happen to have one for my setup, so I'm fine with that. So I love the whole design of this, like the packaging that it comes in. I keep it stored somewhere where I can always see it because the whole design of it is just great. When I first saw this keyboard and I seen it was going for $230, I was like, that's pretty expensive. But the more you look into it, and once I got it, I was like, there was no way I was gonna pass up this keyboard. So, and it, like I said, it just feels great just having it right there in your hands. So to me, this is hand down the best keyboard out on the market right now. The feel of it is just amazing. But I also do have 2 Razer keyboards that I had before. This one was the Razer Huntsman V2 and the Mini. I use the bigger one for like gaming when I'm playing Halo or when I'm playing the new Call of Duty that just came out, and other different things I might use it just for the sound. But it also does come with its own dedicated app where you can change the keycaps because it's fully programmable. You can change the backlighting on it, you can change the settings, you can create certain type of shortcuts to have your own feel and touch on the keyboard. So they recently just came out with a new keyboard, the Mojo 84. Got a few extra little keycaps on it, like, let me show you. Like on this one, on the 68, it doesn't have the F1 through the F11 or F12 caps, and a few more extra caps. Like you can see on the screen, it has a few more extra keys on it. But there's pretty much really not a difference. I mean, it's for the same price too. It's going for the price online, so you're getting more for the same price. So really, you can get the newer keyboard for cheaper than what I paid for this one. But it's up to your preference on whether you want the F1 keys or not. I'm okay with it because I don't use them for anything. Like if I wanted a game, I use my Razer keyboard. But if you enjoyed this setup, leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and be on the lookout for more. Peace.